Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you the text-to-speech in VBA. How text-to-speech work in VBA and how can we use it using VBA. So you can see the header over here like text-to-speech in VBA. So in this demo, I will show you the example that how can we use text-to-speech in using VBA. Right. So first of all, I will use VBA editor. In order to open VBA editor, you need to press Alt F11. Once you will open it, then you can see this wizard. Then go to this option menu like insert and click on the module. Once you will click on the module, this blank module will open in front of you. Then type here subroutine like I'm typing here like text to speech. You can write anything over here in subroutine, whatever you like. So it is speech. Okay, let it be speech. Text to speech, right? So in order to use text to speech, first of all I will type here application dot speech, then dot speak, then whatever the text you wanted to speak, like I am typing here hello world. Okay, now I'm running this macro. I think you would be able to listen it like it's saying that hello world. So okay, so let's suppose we have multiple values over here, like January to December we have multiple months over here. Let's suppose if I want that this text will speak over here, right? So for that I will use one variable that is called dim s, as whatever variable you want to take you can use, just like I'm using here s because it is a speech or speak, so that's why I'm taking it as. And if you will just use a b c d, it will also work. Dim as variant. So I'm taking here variant, here variable, right? So I will use here like I want to just say that it will speak like January to December. So I will say here dim I 4 4 I equal to s equal to 2 to 13, and then I will type here next. So in between I have to use this speak to speech text command, right? For that I will use like okay, I will use one more, not s, but I will use here dim I as an integer, and I will use here I. Okay, because in s I have to just assign some text, and okay, just I am not assigning it because without assigning this variant I think it will work. So I have just removed this one, and I will type here the script, that is application dot speech dot speak. Then I will write some text over here like this is loop number and ampersand and I, it means it will say the loop count whatever the loop is running in the background, right? And then I can use like ampersand I've been using it for concatenation. I can say here like and value is, then I can use ampersand again, range a and I. Okay, so I'm running this code now. We are facing some, I think I have done some spelling mistake over here. Speech. Okay, one more error. Application. Now
Is. 7 and value is May. This is loop number 6 and value is June. This is loop number 7 and value is May. This is loop number 8 and value is July. This is loop number 9 and value is August. This is loop number 10 and value is September. This is loop number 11 and value is November. This is loop number 12 and value is December. This is loop number 13 and value is January. This is loop number 14 and value is February. This is loop number 15 and value is March. This is loop number 16 and value is July. This is loop number 17 and value is October. This is loop number 18 and value is November. This is loop number 19 and value is December. This is loop number 20 and value is December. This is loop number 21 and value is January. This is loop number 22 and value is February. This is loop number 23 and value is March. This is loop number 24 and value is April. This is loop number 25 loop number 8 and value is July. This is loop number 9 and value is August. This is is September.
Okay, so you can see that we have taken the range only till 10th. If I'll just change it to 13 and if I'll run it now,
This is loop number 2 and value is January. This is loop number 3 and value is February. This is loop number 4 and value is March. This is loop number 5 and value is April. This is loop number 6 and value is May. This is loop number 7 and value is June. This is loop number 8 and value is July. This is loop number 9 and value is August. This is loop number 10 and value is September. This is loop number 11 and value is October. This is loop number 12 and value is November. This is loop number 13 and value is December.
so you can see that we have values till we have I have just run the loop till second to 13. So in second we have January. Once it reached to 13, then loop has been exit. So in order to use text to speech command, you should know the this syntax only. Application dot speech dot speak. After that, I have used some string value. I have concatenated. I have done some concatenation using ampersand. Then I is my variable. This is again a text, and here I'm just using a and I. It means whatever the values we have in first instance, it will be a2. Then whatever the value we have here, then it will speak. Then in the same manner, once the loop end, then it will stop. So you can use text to speech activity in VBA as well. So I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.